Alright, what's up you guys? I know it's been a while since I posted a trading video, but today was a pretty exciting day for me. I hit my first $1,000+ profit trade, and I just wanted to give you guys a little recap, what I was kind of thinking and sort of what you guys can look for to make trades like that also. So what I traded today was Solo, SOLO, and yeah, basically, also guys, I'm like filming this from my camera while doing a screen recording, and I'm gonna try and edit the camera portion onto the screen through like an editing software afterwards. So just bear with me. Um, yeah, so SOLO, and basically what I was looking at is let's move it to this. Yeah, so basically, right over here, it had news this morning, and it spiked up over like 200%, I think, or just around 200% from yesterday. And so it was a little overextended, but the main thing that I saw in it that made me want to go ahead and buy in on it is this. If you can see here, there's this nice little double bottom that formed here. So one, and then two, and then it held support from the first bottom really nicely. And so as it started to move up, I decided to go ahead and pick up some shares. And yeah, so lately I've been buying more at support than like the break of resistance, which is what I used to do. And I just find that buying at support is a lot, well, it's like a higher winning percentage most of the time, and also on top of that, it's like your risk is a lot more identifiable. Like you can just cut it if it goes below this like 502 mark. So I actually hopped in at around like I think $5.31, I want to say, maybe 41 cents, and sold at 632. So that was like almost $1 profit per share. The profits right here for the day, and yeah, so you guys might notice that it kind of tanked afterwards, and a reason for that, or in my opinion, is because people will use the high of day, like the pre-market high of day, even as, especially short sellers will use it as sort of a nice entry to get in short, and they will risk a little bit higher than that. So that's why if you use like the pre-market breakout strategy, it's not super effective all the time, especially if the stock is already up like over 200%, guys. And you can see right at $7.48 that was the top here, and over here it was $7.26. So a lot of people who go in big are willing to risk like quite a few cents to nail this short, which ended up happening. And another indicator that kind of told me that this wasn't going to go long for too long, it was kind of just like a short-term move, is that the double bottom that sort of it had while it opened up after pre-market was lower than the pre-market bottoms over here. So that's a pretty bearish sign. And I didn't really play it for the long term. I just made a quick $1,000 and got out. So uh, yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, I'm stoked to make my first $1,000+ in trading profits, $1,066. I hope I can keep it up, and I hope I can continue to provide you guys with value and stuff like that. So see you next time.